First, the top news headlines. HSLC examination results to be declared today at 4 p.m. At least 78 people died and dozens are feared missing after a fishing boat capsized. Suspected cookie miscreants burned a house at Chekon. One woman injured in RAF action. And curfew shortened to 11 a.m. in Imphal West and East. A very good afternoon. You're watching ELITETV English News, and this is your host Leima giving you the news in details. Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM to announce the result of Class 10 examination this evening at 4 p.m. Talking to the chairman of the board, the announcement of the Class 10 will be held at 4 p.m. with small function. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar will also attend the announcement of the result. It may be mentioned that a total of 38,127 students, including 8,130 students of government schools, 1,520 students of aided schools, and 28,477 students of private schools, are appearing in the examination. In an unfortunate incident alleged that some unidentified suspected cookie miscreants have torched a house at New Chekon around 12:30 p.m. However, Rapid Action Force deployed there have reportedly accused the Meitei community for the incident. The irate locals have tussled with the Rapid Action Force. In order to disperse the mob, tear gas sailed and mock bomb were used by the Rapid Action Force. One woman was injured in the Rapid Action Force action. On the spot, our reporter Pariton is there. Here is the report of Pariton to our news editor.
Cookie Gambu Kratolaga may tie heavy pau pangi, Hosi powder may have a can be so today. How you home to the Higi, for me, Pariton, Lady Pariton, Tokamento, no Cray, no detail among Tambio.
Total Fisher, when I'm from the Yokshan Rumatam, Rapid Action Force, New Chikongi Prasamianga, Meduka, no Queen Hijarumatanda, the Tarami, my cookie in the Tarambanana, when you Prasamiam the Tame, when a Tamata, cookies in the Taramaga, Mite Mitamiam, the Lan Uhanamo Santo Matunda, Iran Holaga, Iran Holy Marak to the Rapid Action Force Kamuna, there gas nothing but Kapatagi, the Piama. No port in Kondagi, no PM long jump, Mahagimum, Mahimoko shock to na, Rasmi city that put a play. Sigi when a day, Sigi, Nifte Con Mando Blackie, Sigi, Janice Honoviable and Big Galaxy of Duty, Yankana, Kutonari.
Kutona have a secret, no Kutona, Ningai Santanabra, Kutona Harakadi, Wakalana Kani, Ningai Santanabra, Paza Singa, Kanokamuna, Brakamito.
Kutona, this year, Kutona, no way to make up again that they do a reputation for Tanguna, the Jam Das Nakanda, Mayamde, Canton, no in a Teagas Kapumba, Mugum Kapumba, Dumba Tovi.
A soap and a mass hanging a sock when we look at Minko, we could detail and have Nabra.
No point in Kondagi, Longzam Bema.
Say Kamusure,
He imagines he could have that.
Could I might cook that cretin sopra?
Cook the Katina of the marking Mako Tormet, Rasan City of Kakas.
How's it Timakata and Muna of Toy Bracamatori?
How did you say Iran cut on the gig, Tansin Gavamatunda, ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯧꯒꯨꯝꯅꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯩ ꯆꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯪꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯥꯌꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯦꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ
ꯑꯣ ꯊꯪꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯐꯥꯌꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯦꯗ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯀꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯊꯪꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯗꯦ
ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯤꯇꯣꯟ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ
Sugnu Assembly Constituency MLA K. Ranjit has stated that a permanent battalion of either Manipur Rifles or IRB will be set up at Sero Lamkhai to restore peace and normalcy at Sero, Sugnu, Napat and other adjacent villages. He made the remark during an inspection tour at relief camps set up at Hairok Higher Secondary School for the displaced people of Sero, Sugnu and other places today. Speaking to media, the MLA continued that the process to set up the battalion is underway, taking due approval from Governor Anusuya Uke. K. Ranjit said that the primary objective of the security measures is to take up the rehabilitation and resettlement work of the people who fled following the attack by militants armed with sophisticated weapons in the early hours of May 28.
Sure, no me makon toktoba. Usi maigai ngakna dana leire. Yamna ka hena ahan oiba. Ana ayek yauba halaman sing imai ben sing yaudu thamaga. Aidi khara na ha oiba nupi orasu nupa orasu tawraga. Sugunu da lehenninge. Maramdi yum suluina leibanina. Tang kuni pangi nongalam daida telephone na hogdorok padigi numitu da ngasi bok tumba yade mit shanba yade. Sare safam khangde. Ai haijan na banate. Honorable MLA gi naw pasu leiri. Akoi hujikti rajniti gi khenaba akoi loin tokre. Akoi gi like minded oiba. Party tarana. Akoi tang taramari hayeng bawugi manungda Bharat ki Prime Minister unaraga karino tawbigaduri se asengba ama khangdokna bagi dongta chatpa haibagi decision gi warepta aise hayeng Delhi da koi leader gi tung ilaga haiba tare koi party gi chattaba yadaba aduna maram oiraga mayam se ada sakhi baise hafta tarani changadori bini hekta changba Prime Minister unaba appointment piro yam chinba mini Prime Minister haibase aduna chatring aisida mayam amuktang unajaraga Pungmen Paumen Naba, Madugi Tanzado Loga Laksabani, Aigi Sero Sugno, the Punging Laitana Lacy, Haragadi, Huzik, Lady Security, peace oil, Aduma, Parliament or Battalion Namaka Hangbiu Haidana, Masi, Taruni among the Honorable Governor Unaraga, Chief Minister Su, the Security Advisor Kuladip Su, the Governor, the address of Governor Direct Unazaraga. My am seriously can be anytime contact or on a Magi at the second number of him on the Pira in Mitura.
Curfew has been shortened to 11 am in Imphal East and West after the sudden changes in the law and order situation in the two districts. However, Bishnupur district has no relaxation during curfew. However, Kaching and Thobal remain as usual today. In Kangpokpi, curfew relaxed from 5 am to 3 pm. Markets and shops are open during the curfew relaxation. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. The Churachandpur Medical College Churachandpur on Wednesday notified that offline classes for its first-year MBBS students will begin at two government-run medical colleges from the next Monday. A notified sign-up by Churachandpur Medical College Churachandpur Director Professor S. Heeyai Singh stated that the offline classes will be conducted at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Imphal and Churachandpur Medical Colleges Churachandpur until the situation return to normalcy. The National Medical Commission NMC Undergraduate Medical Education Board via letter number U 1502928/2023 UGMEB dated June 12 has permitted offline classes in response to requests made by Government of Manipur in view of the current prevailing law and order situation in the state. The students are to OPD as per their conveniences, the colleges where they intend to attend the classes, and the same may be intimated to Dean Academic CMC in written or at churachandpur@gmail.com, WhatsApp and SMS at 9233902692. For hostel accommodation in Imphal, preference will be given to students from outside of Manipur and from Greater Imphal. The Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity COCOMI has said that all the sacrifices made by civilian volunteers while fighting against the narco-terrorists will not go in vain. In a statement signed by its media coordinator Somarendra Thokchom, COCOMI extended condolences to the bereaved family members of the 9 civilian volunteers who were killed by Kuki militants at Khamenlok areas last night and prayed for the departed souls to rest in peace. We have to be more determined and expose all the power instigating the crisis in Manipur first and use our state forces under the existing law of the land, COCOMI said, and added they will not back down at any cost unless the narco-terrorists are rooted out completely. It then appealed to all volunteers to work in a coordinated and tactical method with proper chain of commands to handle every situation. In the wake of the ethnic clash between the Kukis and the Maites that broke out on May 3, a group of 15 organizations belonging to various communities of Manipur have written to the United Nations General Assembly apprising it of the human rights violation of humanitarian industry aid. The group of 25 Go15 organizations, including the All Manipur United Clubs, Organization Amuko and Committee on Human Rights, COHR, among others, submitted petitions to various allied offices and agents of the United Nations detailing the nature of the tension and events that trigger it. The petition sought the attention of the UN and said it should apprise the Indian state to uphold the territorial and administrative integrity of Manipur. The violation of the international humanitarian laws, IHL, by Chin Kuki militants and the suspension of Operation should be proved and they should be punished under established international norms, the Go15 said. Nine riflemen of the 7th Battalion Manipur Rifles who are deployed for protection of Minister named Chakip Gain's quarter at Lamfelpat have been suspended for negligence in their duties. An order issued by the commandant of the 7th Battalion Manipur Rifles, Khabaisoi W. Basu, mentioned that 9 riflemen, that is Havildar N. Janet Maitei, Havildar Y. Joy Chandra, Rifleman S. A. Sanjit Kumar, T. H. Ingocha, L. Romesh, K. H. Ajit, C. H. Bunty, L. Tomba, and K. Samu were suspended for the negligence and dereliction of duty while being posted for guarding the residence quarter of Minister named Chakip Gain. The order further mentioned that they should not leave the headquarters without permission from him. And now let's take a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकतोरी session 2023-24 के admission हौजरे Institute asi Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized तौरबा amati 5-year service complete ओइरबा Manipur da amata ngairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass तौरबा mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningbal singna ming chanbiba yaragani male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course singi khudong chaba leijari course sing atudi international air hostess training airport operation staff training ground handling loina soft skill career counseling interview skill spoken english and hindi grooming guest lecturer session resume making mock interview service classes first aid interview preparation zumba class swimming class amadi airport visits institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag imphal amadi atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amadi online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pinabagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba honaduna ngasi fawbalak Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu Manipurgidi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba sem sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambela mada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit manga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak na simaglangsing birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated tauba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognize tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akaknaba sit masingi admission housere. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, high-river coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiratuna ngasimak kudong saba si lowiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back, and let's see the further details. In Greece, at least 78 people died and dozens are feared missing after a fishing boat capsized yesterday. The boat was carrying migrants and was going to Italy. The boat was believed to have sailed from Libya's Tobruk area. Greece has launched extensive search and rescue operations. So far, 104 people have been rescued following the nighttime incident, while 4 persons were hospitalized with symptoms of hypothermia. According to the Coast Guard, there is uncertainty over the number of passengers still missing. Greece has deployed 6 Coast Guard vessels, a Navy frigate, a military transport plane, and an Air Force helicopter and several private vessels in the search and rescue operations. The very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy is expected to make landfall today in the evening near the Jakhau port at the Kutch district of Gujarat. According to India Meteorological Department, the storm is expected to cause massive damage. It is very likely to cross Saurashtra and Kutch and adjoining Pakistan coast between Mandavi, Gujarat and Karachi, Pakistan, near Jakhau port of Gujarat with a maximum sustained wind speed of 125 to 135 kilometers per hour, gusting to 150 kilometers per hour. The sea condition is likely to be very rough. IMD issued a red massive cyclone warning for coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch district. Biparjoy is currently located 210 km west-southwest of Jakhau port, 220 km west-southwest of Devbhoomi Dwarka and 230 km west-southwest of Nalia. The Met Office has also predicted rain all over Gujarat for 4 days from today. Heavy to very heavy rain is likely over Kutch and Saurashtra. From today, heavy rain and destructive winds will start blowing. The maximum impact of the severe storm will be seen in Kutch, Jamnagar and Devbhoomi Dwarka district. There is a possibility of heavy rainfall in the coastal areas of these districts. Conditions are likely to worsen this evening. The state government has coordinated the assistance of the Air Force, Navy, Coast Guard and Army if required during this potential disaster, and these agencies are also on standby for disaster management. As a precautionary measure, over 4,000 hoardings have been removed in districts prone to cyclones. A team of 597 personnel from the PGVCL has been assembled to swiftly restore the electricity supply after the cyclone subsides. Satellite phones and ham radio services have been put on standby to address any potential disruptions in the communication system due to heavy rains or storms. Moreover, mobile service operators have been instructed to keep alternative towers operational as a precautionary measures. In view of the very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy, more than 74,000 people have been safely relocated across 8 districts of the state. The system is fully equipped to deal with any eventuality. Currently, state government has deployed 34 teams of NDRF and SDRF to deal with the possible effects of cyclone storm Biparjoy. 125,000 food packets have been prepared by the state administration. 69 PACs, 16 CACs have been prepared in the possible affected areas. 20 medical officers have been deputed from other districts. Considering the situation, Sri Somnath Temple will remain closed for today. Around 12 vehicles were damaged and got buried under debris after a parking lot collapse in Punjab's Mohali on Wednesday, police said. Videos of the incidents have made surface online. The parking lot collapsed while work was underway or basement digging of an adjacent under construction building, according to the police. No injuries have been reported in the incident, the DSP said. A video has surfaced online showing Basnath Singh Yadav, who had joined BJP in 2020, traveling in a convoy, having nearly 400 cars to rejoin Congress on Wednesday in Madhya Pradesh. His convoy traveled a nearly 300-kilometer distance from Sipuri to Bhopal. Considered close to Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, Yadav has welcomed back to Congress by ex-CM Kamal Nath. Independent Australian Senator Lydia Thorpe has said that she was sexually assaulted by fellow Senator David Vance in the Parliament. Thorpe said she was followed and then cornered in a stairwell before she was aggressively propositioned. And inappropriately touched. She added that the incident was not isolated and there were other people in parliament who had inappropriately touched her. Elon Musk's own Twitter has been sued in the US by National Music Publisher Association NMPA on behalf of 70 music publishers for $250 million over willful and massive copyright infringement. NMPA has a list of about 1,700 songs that have been included in multiple copyright notices to Twitter. NMPA asks court to fine Twitter up to $150,000 for each violation. Indian Army has made preparation for relief and rescue operations as Cyclone Biparjoy is set to make landfall in Gujarat today. A video of the preparations showing Army personnel putting life jackets in a truck has surfaced online. Army has deployed over 27 relief columns across the state, including forward location of Manvi and Barka, Defense PRO for Gujarat said. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. HSLC examination results to be declared today at 4 p.m. At least 78 people died and dozens are feared missing after a fishing boat capsized. Suspected cookie miscreants burned a house at Chikon. One woman injured in raft action. And curfew shortened to 11 a.m. in Imphal West and East. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe and have a good day ahead.